How to suggest your TikTok account to your Facebook friends. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to suggest your account to your Facebook friends easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app, click on it. And here all you need to do is go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Click on setting and privacy. Once you are here, click on privacy, which is the second option, and you're gonna find suggest your account to others. Tap there, and you have the second option, which is Facebook friends. Make sure to turn on this option to suggest your account to your Facebook friends, and you have to connect your TikTok to your Facebook. And this is it, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.